Hey Noah, do you see this plant right here?
Based on the small, rounded, succulent-like leaves, this plant looks like it could be a Portulacaria afra, commonly known as elephant bush or dwarf jade plant. Does that seem right to you?
Yeah, I think you're correct. Can you tell me what the ideal watering schedule is for this type of plant?
Sure. For a Portulacaria afra, the ideal watering schedule is to water thoroughly when the soil is dry to the touch. Overwatering can be a problem. You want me to remind you to check the soil moisture whenever I see a Portulacaria afra?
Yeah, and remind me that I watered 2 weeks ago.
Okay, I see the Portulacaria afra again. Remember, it was watered 2 weeks ago, so check the soil moisture to see if it needs water now.